Essential travel tips, your guide to stress-free travel. Traveling to new destinations is an exciting and enriching experience, but it can also be daunting if you're not adequately prepared. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time traveler, having a few essential travel tips up your sleeve can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. From packing efficiently to staying safe and healthy, these travel tips will help ensure that every trip you take is a memorable and stress-free adventure. 1. Plan and prepare. Research your destination. Before embarking on any journey, take the time to research your destination. Learn about the local customs, traditions, and any cultural nuances that could impact your travel experience. Understanding the local etiquette and customs can help you navigate new environments with respect and ease. Necessary documentation. Ensure that you have all the necessary documentation, including passports, visas, and any other required travel permits. It's also wise to make copies of important documents such as your passport and travel insurance, and store them separately from the originals. Vaccinations and health precautions. Depending on your destination, you may need specific vaccinations or medications. Research health advisories and consult a healthcare professional to ensure that you are up to date with any necessary vaccinations or health precautions for the region you are visiting. 2. Packing tips. Pack light. One of the most valuable travel tips is to pack light. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched, and opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space and weight in your luggage. Be mindful of airline baggage restrictions and pack only the essentials to avoid unnecessary fees and the hassle of lugging around heavy bags. Essential items. Don't forget to pack essential items such as a universal adapter, a portable charger, a travel-sized first aid kit, and any prescription medications. These items can be lifesavers in unexpected situations and can make your travel experience more comfortable. Security and accessibility. Keep valuable items, such as passports, cash, and electronics, in a secure and easily accessible part of your carry-on luggage. Consider using a money belt or a secure travel wallet to keep your belongings safe while on the move. 3. Safety and security. Stay informed. Stay informed about the current political and social climate of the destination you are visiting. Check for any travel advisories or warnings issued by your government and be mindful of areas that may have safety concerns. Travel insurance. Invest in comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and any unforeseen incidents. Having travel insurance provides peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected events. Stay connected. Share your itinerary and contact details with a trusted friend or family member. Regularly check in with them, especially when traveling solo, to let them know about your whereabouts and well-being. 4. Money matters. Currency exchange. Research the local currency and familiarize yourself with the current exchange rates before you depart. While it's convenient to exchange currency at airports, you can often find better rates at local banks or reputable exchange offices in the city. Payment options. Carry a mix of payment options, including cash, credit cards, and a debit card. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with card usage abroad, and consider carrying a small amount of local currency for immediate expenses upon arrival. Budget wisely. Create a travel budget and monitor your expenses throughout your trip. By setting a budget for accommodation, dining, transportation, and activities, you can manage your finances effectively and avoid overspending. 5. Health and wellness. Stay hydrated. Traveling can be dehydrating, especially if you're flying or visiting warm climates. Carry a reusable water bottle and aim to stay hydrated throughout your journey. Prioritize rest. Jet lag and long travel days can take a toll on your energy levels. Prioritize rest and sleep to help your body adjust to new time zones and to stay refreshed during your travels. Dietary considerations. If you have dietary restrictions or food allergies, research local cuisine and dining options beforehand. Knowing where to find suitable meals can prevent any dietary issues during your trip. 6. Communication and language. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in fostering positive interactions with locals. Simple greetings, please, thank you, and asking for directions in the local language can make a positive impression. Stay connected. Ensure that you have reliable communication options while traveling. This could include purchasing a local SIM card, activating an international roaming plan, or using messaging apps that work over Wi-Fi. 7. Cultural sensitivity. Respect local customs. Be mindful of cultural norms and practices in the places you visit. Respect local customs, dress codes, and traditions too.